Hi everyone. Today, by this video, I want to show you how to check your SMS Broadcaster machine is a real 4G machine or just a fake 4G, which is it's only 2G machine but add a small jammer inside only. Before I start it, let me introduce to you. This is our new 4G SMS Broadcaster machine called Hitech Terminal 4G Maxi. This machine can be 2 antennas like this or can be up to 6 antenna like this. How many of antennas it will be depend on your country frequencies later. We just launched 2 type of Hitech Terminal 4G Maxi. The first one is 4G Maxi 1 and second one is 4G Maxi Triple, which is the different is 4G Maxi 1 you can sending to one operator and it's have a feature called auto switch operators feature. You can add up to 10 operators so it will working sending to that 10 operators automatically by rotation for you. And about 4G Maxi Triple, it can be sending to 3 operators simultaneously, also can set up to 30 operators. So the machine can sending 3 by 3 operators simultaneously and sending for that 30 operator automatically by rotation for you. Alright, let's back to our topic about how to check your SMS broadcaster machine is a real 4G or is just working on 2G frequency only. For checking that, we have 2 ways. The first way, we need to have this signal analyzer machine, which is, this machine is made from Germany, and the prices of this machine is quite expensive. But this is the only way to read and see clearly everything about the frequencies on working. If you don't have this machine, don't worry. We have way number 2. Which is you only need using your Android phones to check it, and we will create another video later to teach you how to check it step by step. Okay, let's start the test using way number 1 first. First step, make sure all antennas is connected. This is the 2G frequency antenna port and connected to this antenna. And this is 4G frequency antenna port and connected to this signal analyzer. Then turn on your machine and make sure it start working already. Then connect your machine using your phone, iPad, or laptop by Wi-Fi. For this time, we will using this iPad to show you this demo. Next step, you need to make sure this iPad Wi-Fi is connected with the machine already. And then open the browser and insert the machine IP. After that, you will see operation page like this. This is our new software for Maxi machine. This software already support 2G, 3G, 4G, even 5G. But even the software already supported until the 5G, your machine needs 5G hardware as well. If not have the 5G hardwares, it will not working. For this demo, we will show you the 4G frequencies on this tables. The testing number 1, we will test this 4G ERFCN 300, which is this is band 1, and the frequency is 2140 megahertz. And testing number 2, we will testing 4G EARFCN 1850, which is this is band 3, and the frequency is 1870 megahertz. And testing number 3, 2400, this is bands 5, frequency is 869 megahertz. And testing number 4, ARFCN 3500, this is band 8, and the frequency is 930 megahertz. And this all working at 4G frequencies. First step, we need to insert this 4G EARFCN into the setting page. At the 4G setting, this is 300 we input at first operator. Then this is 1850 we insert into the second operator, and operator number 3, this 2400 we input at the third operator. Alright, after the setting is completed, go to home page, then click start button to starting the broadcast. Alright, the status of machine is working now and we just waited. During waiting signal to come out, we need to insert this frequency into the signal analyzer machine. Alright, we insert it now. 4 2140 megahertz. Then we just need to wait until the signal is up. Alright, from this signal analyzer machine we can see clearly 2140 megahertz is up now. This machine now broadcasting on this frequency already. And the nearby phones connected on this frequency will automatically connect it to our machine. Then they will receive the SMs instantly on their 4G phones. Alright, let's go to testing number 2 on 4G AirFCN 1850. First step, we go to setting and then we unselect this operator number 1. Then we activated operator number 2, which is this operator is working at 4G AirFCN 1850. And we also insert this frequency into signal analyzer machine, 1870 megahertz. 1870 megahertz. Alright, well, let me explain a little bit about this 3G frequencies. As I mentioned from beginning, this software is support to all frequencies. But from this 4G Maxi machine, we don't have 3G hardwares inside. So if we put anything at this 3G frequency, it will not make any works. So we just ignore about 3G frequency setting. Let's just focus on 4G frequency setting only. Alright, after we change to operator 2, we click save. Then we go home page. At home page, we click stop button. Status now is stopped. And then we click start button again. Alright, now the status is working. What we need to do is just waiting until the signal is up. Alright, from signal analyzer machine, we can see very clearly 1870 megahertz is working now, and the power detected on approximately 9 dBm. Alright, let's back to setting page. I want to tell you something about this Maxi software. This software have the feature to control the sending power level. For this demo, we just using the smallest power because we no need to using the big power for demo only. And if the power too big, we need using reducer module to decrease it as well. If not, big power into this machine can cause this machine damage. But for you using this machine later, you can set this power level to the maximum level to maximize your broadcasting. Alright, let's go to test number 3 on 4G AirFCN 2400. So we unselect the operator 2, then we select operator 3. And then we save it. Then go back to home page. Alright, at home page, we can see the machine status is still working, but this is still working on previous setting. How we check it from signal analyzer, we can see this is still have the signal up at 1870 megahertz. And we can try to insert the frequency operator 3 into the signal analyzer machine, 869 megahertz. And from here we can see there no any signal is detected at here. Then we go back to 1870 megahertz. Alright, from signal analyzer machine, we can see very clearly the machine is still working on this frequency. How to change it to the latest setting on operator 3, we just click stop button. And we can see the signal is down and the status is stopped now. And then we click start again. Alright, now the status is working now. Then don't forget to change signal analyzer machine to 869 megahertz. And we just wait until the new frequency is coming. Alright, 896 megahertz is detected now on signal analyzer machine. So by this testing method, we can see very clearly about what frequency is detected, and that frequency detected on how big power we can see very clearly using this signal analyzer machine. So if someone put the software have the 4G setting, but they give you the machine doesn't have any 4G hardwares inside, or they just put small 5G jammer inside the machine will not working well. So this is mean you maybe received the fake 4G machine and working only on 2G, which is if you want 2G machine only, we also have it, and we covered it with the best prices warranty. We also have that 2G machine with the built-in 5G jammer, which is the prices is very cheap. If the machine is real 4G, the nearby 4G phones will instantly receive your messages. But not only 4G phones, even the 5G. If that 5G phone is working on 4G network, that 5G phone also will receive your SMS instantly, because 5G network is not yet coverage all the area, and for nowadays 90% of phones at the market still is 4G phones. So 4G machine still the best choice for sending your advertisement. Alright, let's go to testing number 4. We go to setting page again. Then we change the 4G setting at here. We change the 4G ERFCN to 3500. Then we just click the generate button to generate the random numbers at this setting. Then close it and we unselect this operator. Then select this operator and save it. Go to home page. Then we click stop button. We change the signal analyzer machine to 930 megahertz. Then we click start again. Alright, status is working now. Then we just waited until the signal is come out. Alright, signal is detected. From signal analyzer we can see clearly 930 megahertz is working now. So this is most accurate to check and see the machine is real 4G or just a fake 4G. So make sure you only purchase the real 4G SMS Broadcaster machine from Hitech terminal only at smsbroadcaster.com. Reminder, as our mentioned at our website, most of our devices is designed for government like disaster department for sending emergency SMS, or for police and military department for sending mass SMS for public. So it welcome for any reseller like government agencies or government directly from any country. We have a free OEM services to create it all at your own brand. If you come from big enterprise like Casino Enterprise or 5 Stars Hotels and you want to using it for sending welcome messages to all your visitor at your lobby, after you purchase this machine, you still need asking the permit for your country authorized. You need to follow your country law and you are fully responsible to using this machine. Beware of nowadays, there have some seller at the market selling fake clone Hitech products. They are using our products' photos at their website, or their products is looking familiar with our products, but actually they're only a clone company by only having few types SMS broadcaster machine with a very poor technology and quality. Hitech is always the lead of SMS Broadcaster Technologies. We have the best R&D development teams, and we always using the best hardwares on this field and always having the best software features. So make sure you only purchase the real 4G machine from Hitech SMS Broadcaster only. Contact our sales department and start having your own real 4G SMS Broadcaster machine and start your job. Alright, thank you for watching the video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.